Hi everyone, this is K-pop Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ng reaction video. Ang Barda compilation, hindi pa tayo tapos mga mami, manami pa talaga. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano to? Ang bait-bait ni Ginoo dito, oh. Charis! Ang bait-bait ni Ginoo dito, oh. Tingnan mo naman.
David, wow, from primetime screens
Okay.
to primetime game, what does it feel supporting Marikina
Ang bait ni Ginoo
tonight? And
dito.
what can you say about the MPBL?
Yan, pretty
Well, I was
yan.
really happy na nakita ko kasing hard work, yung sacrifice na nilagay
Okay.
ng team na to. And now na it's their first game, I'm really proud of them. And yeah, I just wish na kasama sana ako sa game today. But then, you know, like meron nang naging problem with my requirements. But in the next games, yeah, I'll be there.
I'll be there.
Talagang
Okay.
inaabangan nga naman ng mga fans mo ang
Inabangan
paglalaro
ka nila
mo. And as you can
din.
see, grabe yung reception ng crowd. Pwede mo bang i-share yung expectations mo
Ayan.
playing in the future for MPBL?
To be honest with you, all my life, yung dream ko talaga was to become a basketball player. So now na I am given the chance to play again in this level, MPBL. Of course, I'm really grateful and super happy. And yeah, I'll be putting in the hard work. I have been practicing. So yeah, dream come true for me.
And we're excited to see more of that, David. Inaabangan ng fans mo to. What can you say to your supporters who are cheering you on kahit na hindi ka pa naglalaro ngayon?
To all my friends and supporters, maraming salamat sa suporta dito sa Cainta, dito sa Marikina team. Sobrang warm ng welcome nyo sa akin. So I just can't wait to give back, makapaglaro ng maayos para sa inyo.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, our pambansang ginoo, David
Pambansang
Licauco.
ginoo.
Back to you guys.
Diba?
Last niyang Cebu for a Kapuso
Ay,
More show
ito.
was for Maria Clara at Ibarra. Eh, hindi po
Ah.
ako nakasama nung time na yun.
Bakit nga yan?
So, eh, kasi
Bakit?
nga may mismo ako nun, no?
Ah.
Hindi kasi mismo
Gusto ko yung interview na yan. Gusto kong interview na yan. Sa totoo lang, dito muna tayo. Kilikiligan muna
What are the big
tayo.
ambitions of David Licauco as a businessman apart from franchising? Do you plan
Ay.
to expand your food concepts beyond Filipino and Korean cuisine?
Well, for Korea, as of right now, you know, I'm focusing on the
Hindi ko na
franchising.
pinapanood.
And
okay.
for Sobra naman, expansion sa Metro Manila siguro muna. Then eventually Cebu, Davao, and all that.
Favorite talaga ni David ang
for
mga
the
Bisaya.
construction, honestly, hindi ko pa siya masyado nagbibigyan ng time.
Oh,
But eventually,
may construction
I
din
wanna get
pala
into
siya.
that
no?
also.
Oo.
And I'm actually opening up a beauty coffee concept.
Beauty coffee.
So parang yung mission vision nun is to like help the aspiring entrepreneurs na parang kaya na rin nilang magnegosyo kasi parang mura lang yung package na,
Oo.
na plano namin. The name is Good Drip Coffee.
Good
Drip
drip.
coffee.
Ay, di ba meron na
Ang
yan?
galing mo, David. Looking for new concepts, looking for new entrepreneurial ideas, and to also expand your business and to hire more of our kababayans who do not have
Yes,
jobs.
of course, of course. Yun din naman talaga importante para magkaroon tayo ng trabaho, yung mga kababayan natin.
Maraming salamat.
True.
David Licauco, we're really very proud of you. And of
Thank you
course,
so much.
David Licauco is also a Lasallian. Animo
Lasal.
Lasal. Very entrepreneurial ang mga Lasallians. Thank you so
Lasal.
much.
Thank you so much, Fran.
David Licauco.
Guilty or not
Okay.
guilty? May aktor na muntik makasuntukan.
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Na-scam na sa pera.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Dated someone older.
Ay,
Guilty.
Guilty or
Ay,
not
guilty.
guilty? Ng ghost ng babae.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Na in love sa katrabaho.
ay, sakto lang. Charis.
Sakto lang.
Guilty or not guilty? May nagpapatibok ng puso ngayon.
Sakto lang din.
Pinlano
Sakto
talaga
lang
namin
din.
to.
Pinlano namin.
Talagang masterminds talaga kami ng love
Noong
team.
2016 pa lang na nag-audition ako, pinlalo na namin, 2022.
Oh.
Oo.
Ay!
Dapat after ng pandemic tayo yung talagang pure sa...
Ay, talaga?
Fidel, alam ko na talaga eh.
Ikaw na talaga
Echosero. Echosero talaga kayo.
I'm happy.
Why?
I'm happy. Oh my God.
It's on the mindset. Diba? Like the way I see things
Pero,
now.
totoo.
I always try to
You have to
see the
choose
good
to
in
be happy
everything.
talaga.
Like for example, before, kapag ako'y busy, kapag marami akong ginagawa, I tend to magreklamo. I would
Reklamo.
complain about, shucks, I'm tired, parang I wanna rest, di ba? But now, the way I see things, I think it's more of,
So are you in love?
Ay!
in love with my job.
Nilawin rin siya.
in love with life in general.
Oh my God, the question is just as Robo yes or no. Nagigets natin yun kung saan pwede yung, yung in love na yan. Pero bakit? Bakit hindi niya masagot-sagot yung totoo?
Then,
Di ba?
self-improvement. Every day.
Self-improvement.
So, yeah, I'm generally happy and mas nakita ko yung mga, mas appreciate ko lahat ng bagay. Ayun yung pangarap ko when I was younger, diba? So ngayon, nabigyan ng chance.
Pag bagong break ka, ilang
Ay.
months ba dapat yung hihintayin mo?
3 months nga ni. Ito dito, isa dito eh.
Opinion mo.
Di ba?
Agad. Joke.
Agad. Diyan siya,
Agad.
diyan siya nagpapansin agad kay Barbie.
Huwag ka muna talaga makipagrelasyon. Kasi baka madala mo yung emotional baggages mo from the
true
past
naman.
relationship
True
to the
naman.
next relationship. It's better to wait it out.
Gano'ng katagal?
3 months.
3 months na ba?
Ay, 3 months.
Parang.
Tama. 3 months.
Tapos naging sundalong Hapon. Ngayon naman po siya ay isang dekano. Sa isang pelikula na ang pamagat ay samahan ng mga makasalanan.
Makasalanan.
Siya kaya ay makasalanan. Alamin ho natin.
Ay, mahaba ito. Ay, hello. Ano to?
Pinakamalaking hamon na
Ay.
aking tinalakay dito sa
Ano?
Never Say Die ay ang pagiging isang journalist. Na-realize ko na hindi pala ganun kadali maging isang journalist sapagkat marami kang kailangang matutunan sa pananalita. Kailangan ay hindi ganun kabagal dahil ako ay tahimik lang na tao. So kinailangan ko talagang mag-ehersisyo sa pagiging isang journalist. Tuwing hapunan, ako ay nag-jogging sapagkat ako ay sasama sa isang race and gusto ko talagang maging fit all the time. Kakabahan,
Ay.
natutuwa, baka hindi na sila matulog. David Licauco and I will be answering your questions from Reddit.
Ay, bago lang to. Bago lang to, ma'am. Wait lang.
Over on Peaceful Meditation on Spotify.
Oo, palas
Of course,
kami.
save up. Whenever you want something, think about it twice, thrice. Do you need it? Is this something that
true.
for you is
Katulad sa pagbili ko ng
beneficial or in a sense na
kailangan ko
is it
ba?
an
Kahit sabihin mo mura.
For example, a black t-shirt. I think you can use that multiple times, right? So I think it's okay
Katulad ng
to
AirPods
buy
na hindi ko mabili-bili kahit 15,000 lang
a more
naman. Tiyara!
expensive na black
Kailangan ko
t-shirt
ba?
just because you
Pwede
know
naman
na
siya
you're gonna be using it
0%
for a long
interest.
time and the quality is nice, diba? And for business naman, I think
For business
it doesn't have to be
naman.
business, you know? I think you just have to know what you want. And
Okay.
from there, figure out how you will get there. I want to live
Okay.
in Australia.
Ay,
Whatever work I can get from there, maybe. I just love being there, really. People are nice. I see myself talaga na parang bagay ako doon.
sa Australia pala
Hopefully,
talaga
like,
ang gusto
be a
niya.
marketing guy. Because I love
Eh kasi naman, ano
marketing.
maasahan mo dito sa
Probably I
Pilipinas,
can
yung
also do
totoo.
operations and
Di ba?
project management, admin stuff. Thank you for all your questions. I appreciate them.
Diba?
Let's go to the happiness.
Anyways,
Diba?
that is our for today's video. This is Kiko Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!